appropriation account. The profit and loss appropriation account, it is a nominal account. You know the nominal account rule. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. The profit and loss account is prepared on the basis of the nominal account rule. The nominal account says debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Right? The next, what is the meaning of the profit and loss appropriation account? It is an account, it is prepared to show the profit of the firm appropriated for the various purpose, or the profit of the firm is allocated for the various purpose. What is the net profit or loss of the firm that should be allocated for example, partners salary, partners commission, interest on capital, etc. It means the profit and loss appropriation account is an account. It shows the profit of the firm allocated for the various purpose or appropriated for the various purpose, or the net profit of the firm distributed for the various purpose. It means the account shows the profit is distributed for the various purpose. Yes, take on the meaning of the profit and loss appropriation account. Take on the meaning. It is an account. It is an account. Stop. It is prepared. It is prepared at the end of the financial period. At the end of the financial period, in the partnership form. In the partnership form, to show the profit of the firm, or appropriated in bracket, allocated, close the bracket, appropriated in bracket, allocated for various purpose like partners salary, partners commission, interest on capital, etc. First stop. In the next line, the specimen of profit and loss appropriation account. Specimen of profit and loss appropriation account. Prepare the account format. It is a debit side. It is in amount. In in rupees and paise. On the credit side also particulars and amount column in rupees and paise. The heading specimen or profit and loss appropriation account. Yes, what are the entries? It is balance brought down. It means the net profit. It is a profit. It is a final profit of the business. Should be recorded on the credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. This profit allocated for the various purpose should be shown on the debit side. 2. Partner's salary account marked in XXX. Partner's commission account, then interest on capital. Interest on capital. Same way, any gain received by the firm, only one gain, that is the interest on drawings. That should be recorded on the credit side. Finally, close the profit and loss appropriation account. What is the balance? That is called profit. It is profit. It should be transferred to partner's capital account. Right? See the account. It is a specimen of profit and loss appropriation account. In the profit and loss appropriation account, the first entry, what is the profit at the end of the year, should be recorded on the credit side. It is a profit. The account shows the profit of the firm is allocated for the various purpose. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲಾಭನ ಏನೇನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬಳಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಹಂಚಿದ್ದೀವಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ the partner salary deducted or the salary allocation or amount spent for the salary of the partners, same the commission to the partners, then interest on capital. What is the remaining, that is called the profit, that should be transferred to partners capital account. It is a specimen of profit and loss appropriation account. I think over. ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟನ್ನು. Over. Yes. Next, take down the problem for the preparation of the profit and loss appropriation account. Right. on the problem. Sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. In the ratio of 3:2. On 1/4/2019, their capital balance were rupees 1 lakh and rupees 60,000 respectively. The next line, according to deed, X salary rupees 1,000 per month and Y salary rupees 4,000 per annum. For stop, Y's commission rupees 3,000 per annum. Next, allowed interest on capital at 5% per annum. Full stop. The next line, during the year the drawings were rupees 5,000 and 4,000 respectively. Continue. And interest on drawing were rupees 500 and rupees 400 respectively. First stop, on 31st March 2020, the profit of the firm was rupees 50,000. The next line, prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Yes, it is a problem. On the basis of problem, prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. The summary of the problem: there are two partners in a firm. They are the X and Y. They are agreed to share the profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. For the purpose of carry the business, their capital contribution of rupees 1 lakh and 60,000 respectively. Then, according to the partnership deed, the two partners are entitled the salary. The ex-partner earned rupees 1,000 for month. It is a very important. the Y partner earned salary rupees 4,000 per annum. Then one more thing, Y's commission rupees 3,000 per annum. The next, according to D, allow interest on capital at 5% per annum. Right? The next line, during the year, the drawings were rupees 5,000 and 4,000 and interest on their drawings rupees 500 and 400. The next, at the end of the year, the profit of the firm rupees 50,000. On the basis of the problem, prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. Now prepare profit and loss appropriation account. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ 2 ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರಿಂದ. ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, 1 ಡೇ ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Right? There are 2 sides in the account, debit side and credit side. On the debit side, particulars and amount column. On the credit side, particulars and amount column. Okay. Listen here. The profit of the firm rupees 50,000 is given. You record directly like the net profit or balance brought down. Both are right. ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಬರೀರಿ ನೀವು. By balance brought down in bracket net profit. According to the problem, the profit of the firm is, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ, for the year ending 31st March 2020. ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ 31st March 2020. I think over. Then the balance brought down means at the end of the day on 31st March 2020, the profit of the firm rupees 50,000 was given in the problem. The next, that profit allocated for the various purpose according to the partnership deed. ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಂಚಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ರೈಟ್, ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, under that X 1,000 per month, 12 months in a year, so the 12,000 salary to X. Y also getting salary rupees 4,000 per annum. Total salary out of 50,000, the 16,000 was allocated. Right? The next, only one partner getting commission, that is Y. Y commission account, that is per annum commission rupees 3,000. Next, interest on capital interest on capital. You know the capital of the partners. X share of capital rupees 1 lakh. Charge the interest at 5% per annum. The interest comes to rupees 5,000. Next, Y partner share of capital rupees 60,000 at the rate of 5%. The interest comes to rupees 3,000. The total interest on capital rupees 8,000. Right? The profit of the firm rupees 50,000, allocated for salary rupees 16,000, for commission rupees 3,000, and interest on capital rupees 8,000. Next, in the last paragraph, in the problem, during the year, the drawings were rupees 5,000 and 4,000 respectively, and interest on their drawings rupees 500 and 400. It is a gain. It should be credited. Interest on drawings. Interest on drawings account. The X interest on drawing rupees 500. Y interest on drawing rupees 400. Right? Total interest on drawing rupees 900. According to the problem, all adjustments or all entries are recorded. ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಈಗ. ಫೈನಲಿ come to close the profit and loss appropriation account. Close ಮಾಡುವಾಗ the credit side is more, 50,900. Right? Balance the account. The balance right? Yes, it is 9. 6 plus 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17, 3, 20, 3, 2. Once again, 0, 0, 9, 9, 9 plus 17, 17 plus 3, 20, 2 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, right. It is a profit. It is a profit transferred to partners capital account. Partners capital account. This is very important. You write in the bracket the profit transferred to partners capital account. How many partners are there? There are 2 partners. The 23,900 into 3 by 5. Then 23,900 into 2 by 5. Now, at the time of preparation of the partners capital account, how to distribute the profit ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನನ್ನು 23,900 into 3 by 5 means how much? ನೋಡಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 4 20 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10, sorry, 4 7s are 35, 40, 8s are 0, 3 24, 23, 12, 14, 4,480 into 2, 2, right. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 23,900 23,900 into 3 divided by 5, 14,340, 14,340, then 23,900 into 2 by 5, 9,560 is the sum of these two comes to rupees 23,900. Therefore, the 23,900 should be recorded here, right, is correct. Is